But that no means that you have to make reckless decisions just to show your gratitude and dash your 3 points.
No, so I never did appreciate it when I go the way they do.
If 99% of the cemetery could attack, they would have used that same phrase there. Never know say to that go that way there.
Georgia.
From the man them wanted and you round them, any number can play. You know that. That's why you walk with 9 Asia.
True that still.
All I know can't just stubborn and attend it, brother. Somebody have to do it for be the voice of reason.
Why king? Go chat to him and them all jump off. Man, they not take no talk.
That is exactly what I mean. Me go chat to the man them too. Find the man them go stubborn settings for me.
Man, them play tough head. Nearly get busted.
And you get caught right in the big light.
Can't believe say it is. I move so stubborn. You know butcher I want it difficult more while still, you know. But I can't believe say it is really. I move so hard it did.
You see when Bob Marley did write this song say every man have a right to decide their own destiny. It's not just lyrics in a song, you know. It's a way of life where I have to pray. And brother, just so you know, you can't save who no want to get saved.
So you link with them since we're gone?
No, you know, not yet. Think I give them some time, you know, before me link up with them.
So you didn't know Sir Rankin show about him and them?
Yeah. But me also know say Rankin send Miss Brissette to save them.
So how are the style of name? A theme soldier them, you know?
You see the same soldier them. We wouldn't take no talk from you or me. Them soldier they were take up some little killy at them yard, like them approve a pint. Eh? Are them soldier there you attack? Well, that style and name, you cross the line and must be reined in.
A real thing still, you know. Because when I pray it, you know, the man them fuck big time, you know.
Remember say, life, especially in the streets, is about your code of conduct. You can't go around the order and don't expect there will be consequences.
But not even they know say the man they make them move there with Rankin. Where man they really amends?
And me can tell you, say, Rankin 5 years ago would have buried them himself.
So you feel like you be good with them? Because Butcher tell me say everything I keep with them, you know.
If him say them good, that mean them good.
You don't think you might draw them closer to get rid of them?
Vicious. You see, in this life, there are few men that I personally consider honorable men. Rankin is among the top of that list. So is Mullins. And Numbers, even though he is a little bit erratic, is always numbered in that number.
Just a ask, you know. Because more while mankind so hard for trust, them vicious.
It's mostly those who can't trust themselves have these trust issues. As a matter of fact, your old generation have trust issues. Because, you see, even though we grew up in the streets and it was grimy, we still always observed the the code.
And I lie I tell you, because that's one thing when we learn from an old man.
That mean your old man is one of them foundation man that will know how the code of the streets go. And it is a much of violate one of the fundamental rules. You can't have a page no man on the next man block and the dad don't know about it.
Same thing make me and them jump off. That me did I tell them, you know.
That make the dad look like Konomono, brother. You understand? Nobody never take that. You understand? And if avoid the all out war, him a go prefer shoot them out.
Sound wicked, you know. But I true.
I hear the thing now. It's never personal. You know that sometimes to preserve the peace, you have to sacrifice the few for the good of the many. And no man, no bigger than that.
Overs, man. But the man them have to give thanks to Rankin. He's an honorable man, you see it?
Well, Vish, I hope them overs now. You see me? Because you see right now, I'm really disappointed in the movements I am. Because, remember, any double move one, it make me look bad too. I want to know, sir. That is my youth then.
Serious thing, man. Because movements they were end up on right now, you know. Make sure of me under deep premiums, you see it?
You see it? And that don't look good either. So, what she has about what one?
She only talk to me when it's necessary. And want to make it worse, Butcher all forward day to day. And she and him nearly catch up, you see me?
Church. That not good at all.
No, she all tell me say me have to go make a choice. Either them or she like a picnic.
You see what stubborn behavior cause? Cause now it affect your relationship with she and your friendship with them.